Welcome to my channel. Okay, so today in this video we will review how can we implement that Magento GraphQL customer login into React web application. So actually customer login is not that much difficult. We just have to call customer login mutation, generate that token, and using that token we can retrieve the customer information and other details. Okay, so let's start. My React application is already running. That npm start is already there, and it's running on localhost 3000. Okay, so let's see which GraphQL API we have to call. So to generate that token we will call that Magento GraphQL generate token mutation and we'll get that token. Okay, so let's start. I have already created one customer using that create customer GraphQL, and we will try to log in using this customer detail. Okay, so here in this application it's already running, and I have added this link. I've created that login model. Here we can add that email ID and password. I'm using that credentials which I already created using email ID. Added the password, click on login. That is login successful, and here we can see I have patched that customer detail. I'm displaying the first name of the customer. Also added that logout link, so once we click on it, it will automatically logged out. That logged out successfully. So basic thing is that in this we are calling that Magento GraphQL customer mutation. Let's see the code. This is the login model, and here I'm calling this function generate customer token. I'm calling this mutation, that is generate customer token. I'm passing email ID and password and fetching that token. After fetching this token, I'm storing into the session storage. You can see here. You can also store in local storage and any other sessions as per the requirement. You can store the blank, store the value is in encrypted format and other things. I have just simply storing this token and retrieving it. And in top bar menu, I have I'm retrieving this Barra token. I'm retrieving customer information, that first name, and displaying with that logged out button. So whatever token I stored, I'm using that, and I'm passing to retrieve the customer information. This is the GraphQL API to retrieve customer details. I'm just using the first name. So here we can see that once we log in, this login link is going to convert into logout, and I'm displaying the first name. We can add that order my account link and other things as per the requirement. Okay, so let's try to create a new customer and see. So in this create customer GraphQL, I'm changing that name to email will be, and password will be this. Okay, so let's create a customer. So after creating this customer, we will try to log in using this email ID and password, and we will retrieve the first name. We'll display with the logout button. Okay, so here we can see that customer is created. Let's use this login detail, this email ID. Just log out with log out for that and click on login. So we are successfully logged in, and here we can see that newly created customer first name is there with that logout link. Once we click on that logout, I am removing that barra token and like displaying the login link. So we can see it's simple and fast. Within a second we are able to log in and logged out. We don't have to like refresh the page and other things. Okay, so that's it. So this is the video like to create customer login using the Magento GraphQL and implement in React.js. I will create a new video for next implementation of registration and other things. Okay, so stay tuned. Thank you.